Welcome back to Science Online class. I am your science teacher, Mr. C.P. Barrett, and here we are working for the chapter first, that is the food and human health. Okay, this is based on the RBSc course, no problem at all. Actually, the course are almost similar. Okay, either it is NCERT, RBSc. Some contents are little different. Right now, see, in my last lecture, actually we have talked about the some kind of the you can say some poisonous substance, okay, some intoxicating substance. Intoxicating means what? Intoxicating means madak, nasile padarth. So in the same series we have talked about the gutkha, okay, what are the bad effects on the human body, and after that we have talked about the what we can say, after gutkha we have talked about the tobacco. Okay, right now see, in the next series, same series, alcohol is also there. We all are very much familiar with the alcohol. Actually, wines, alcohol means wines. There are so many different varieties of the wines are there, which are available here and there, which are going to be prepared. So many ways of the preparations are there. Somewhere it is prepared from the some kinds of the fruits like apple, grapes. Somewhere it is going to be produced from the rice. Okay, so many things are there. But what is the common element which is present inside the alcohol? That is the main thing. So intoxicating material. What is the intoxicating material which is present inside the alcohol? Madak padarth. Okay. So what is the name of that particular material? It is known as a ethyl alcohol. What is the formula? C2H5OH. C2H5OH. It is known as a ethyl alcohol, and that is the intoxicating material which is present in the alcohol. You will come to know more about this in the higher classes. Right now, see what happens. Alcohol, we are knowing that this intoxicating material, we purchase it, we spend money, and when we drink it, so whenever it reaches to our body, so it produces so many side effects. All the organs, actually it affects the functions of the organs of the kidney. It also affects the function of the liver. It also affects the respiratory system. It also affects our kidney, including the small intestine, large intestine. It also creates some kind of the problems in the stomach. It also might be the reason of the blood pressure. It might be the reason of some kind of the heart disease. So many things are there. So see here, some of the harmful effects we have to see about the alcohol. Right now see, it damages the liver badly. It damages the liver badly and converted into the acetaldehyde. Means what happens? Somebody, when he or she, okay, when they drink the alcohol, and if it reaches to the liver, so what happens? It damages the liver badly. Why? Because that alcohol, it is converted into the acetaldehyde. It is converted into the acetaldehyde, and that particular form, it is a poisonous substance. Okay, it is a poison, it is a poisonous substance, and it affects the function of our other organs. Right now see the second thing, controlling of the body decreases. What are the side effects of the alcohol? It decreases the controlling power of our body. Means our mind, our organs, we are not in a control, you can say. We lose our control. Working efficiency decreases. Our working efficiency is also going to be decreased. Actually, means we are not able to perform some work. We are not able to work continuously. Our working ability, our efficiency is going to be decreased. Okay, and next thing is there, it causes the accidents, and that's why you have seen that actually alcohol is the reason for major of the accidents. The drivers, those who are driving the car, those who are driving the buses, trucks, actually because of only two reasons, either sleeping disorder and either the consumption of the alcohol. These are the actual reason for the major of the accidents. So these are the things there. Number third is there, it decreases the memory power. Okay, what is the memory power? Means it affects our nervous system. Memory power, it is related to the nervous system, so it affects, its bad effect is there on the nervous system also, and that's why we are not able to remember the things. Our memory power, it is going to be decreased, and it also affects the nervous system. Same thing is written there. Number 4 is there, it causes the kidney. It causes the kidney failure and other heart problems. Here only kidney is written, kidney failure. You can say it causes the kidney and other heart problems. So many kidney means kidney is going to be fail. Those who are the drinkers, their kidney is always fail. Okay, and so many other heart disease also it causes. It is also that in the previous class I have told you, it is also the reason of the high blood pressure, and high blood pressure again it invites the so many other kinds of the disease like heart attack, like some respiratory problems, like some breathing problems, like BP, sugar, all are related to this. Next is there so these are the side effects of the alcohol. We all are knowing that alcohol, it is very much harmful for us. We should avoid it. Actually we spend money also, and we spend our health also. So in spite of consumption of this, we should consume some milk. Milk is the good thing for us. So many other good things are also available in the world that we have to and it becomes the habit. Initially some person, they start it as a trial, and after that their body becomes habitual of it. And that's why they drink it continuously. Some people, they drink the alcohol daily. The time is not fixed, either it is morning, either it is afternoon, either it is night. And in such a way, actually they are financially also they become poor. And health wise also they become poor. Means what is the total life period is there, it is ultimately decreased by the 10 years. Suppose any person, they have to live 70 years, they have to live till the 80 years, but because of the consumption of the alcohol, so many important organs, they are going to be damaged, and ultimately their life, it is going to be decreased. The total age, it is going to be decreased. Right now see, opium. Next thing is opium. What is the opium? Opium is afim. We are knowing it. So look here, it is obtained. How it is obtained? Actually it is obtained from the drying, means sukhana. Drying means the milk of its raw fruits. Means what are the raw fruits are there, उसके जो कच्चे फल होते हैं, so उस पे चीरे लगा दिए जाते हैं ना, with the help of the blood, with the help of the scissor, उसको थोड़ा सा उसको चीरा लगाते हैं, and after that some raw milk it spreads out, and when this raw milk it is dried, इसको dry कराया जाता है. So what kind of the powder it is going to be prepared, it is known as the opium. Right now see, there are 30 types of the alkaloids present. Alkaloids means intoxicating material, madak padarth, nasile padarth. So it is found that there are near around 30 alkaloids are present in the opium. 30 kinds of the intoxicating material are present inside the opium. Some of these are morphine, name of the intoxicating material, name of the alkaloids. So morphine, that name you have to remember. Codeine, morphine, nicotine, and out of which morphine, codeine, these are used for the preparation of the medicines. Means there are so many different alkaloids are present, and out of which morphine, codeine, these are used especially for the preparations of the medicines, and so many other intoxicating material are present there, and that damages our that affect us badly. Right now see, in the initial stage, what happens? The person, those who are starting the opium, initially stage they start it as a, you can say, as a generally they start it, and and they take the smaller quantity of the opium. Same thing I have written here. In the initial stage, they take the less quantity of the opium, genuinely, no force. But after in the later stage, it becomes more. Whatever the quantity of the opium, it becomes more. And actually that more quantity, and after that the person, it becomes habitual of it. It becomes their habit to take the opium in any of the sense. And right now some of the people, what they do, they actually boil the raw fruits. They directly boil the raw fruits. कच्चे फलों को उबाल लिया जाता है, and they drink it, और उसको भी लेते हैं for the intoxication, मादक नशे के रूप में. And what happens? It decreases the immunity power of the body. It decreases the immunity power of the body. It decreases the disease resistance power of the body, and ultimately such kind of the persons, if their immunity power is less, so definitely so many kinds of the, they will suffer with the so many kinds of the diseases. People becomes ill frequently means bar, and that is the reason that one after other, because the disease resistance power, it is zero, and that's why their body suffer with the different kinds of the disease, because the disease resistance power is zero. There is no any production of the white blood cells, there is no any production of the antibodies. which protect their body from the different kinds of the disease, because taking the opium again and again, so what are the disease resistance materials which are present inside our blood, which are going to be produced inside our body, these are decreased, and that's why body become more prone for becoming ill frequently, and it causes the death also. Okay, our body suffers with the several kinds of the disease, and that's why death also. Ultimately result is the death. So that is all about the opium. Right now, see, we are going to talk about the misuse of the medicines. Means actually medicines are always for the curing the body from the different kinds of the disease, but still some people, those who have the fashion of the intoxication. Intoxication means madak padarth, nasile padarth. Means because of the fashion, okay, all the young children, okay, they all are habitual of the intoxication. Right now, see how they are using it. Survey shows that, okay, one survey conducted in the South Asia, it shows that, especially if I am going to talk about the India, so in India what happens, actually 42% people, they are habitual of the alcohol, they consume the alcohol, and after that 20% people, they consume the opium, 30% people, they are habitual of the heroin, and these all are the intoxicating material that we have heard. Names are very much popular, you can see. 6% people, they are habitual of the ganja, you can say here. So out of this, some medicines, even some medicines also, like morphine. Morphine is a painkiller medicine. Morphine is a painkiller medicines which is prepared from the opium, that I have told you. So some medicines like morphine, pethidine, okay, and after that these names we have to remember: morphine, pethidine, nitrazepam, diazepam. These are the names of the medicines, and actually these medicines are misused. These are misused for intoxicating. Intoxicating means again same, नशे के रूप में इसका यूज करते हैं. People use these kinds of the products, means their body is not suffer with the diseases. They don't have any kind of the fever, they don't have any kind of the painkiller, still they use these particular medicines for the intoxication. मादक पदार्थों के रूप में नशे के लिए, अपनी बॉडी को नशे में रखने के लिए यूज करते हैं. Right now see the children are also in the same category. Children use the thinner we are knowing it, and acetone is present there. Acetone is present in the, means it is what actually, thinner and acetone. It is the nail polish remover. Nail polish remover. So children use the thinner, means acetone. Okay, acetone is present there, and after that petrol. Smell of the petrol. It is also used for the intoxication. Iodex. Smell of the iodex. Solvent oil. Solvent oil. It is written solvent here, but it is a solvent oil. T is also there. Solvent oil. Solvent oil means paint oil, you can say. Okay. Solvent oil, some oil are used in the solvent form. Solvent oil, paint, smell of the paint, all are used for the intoxication. सभी चीजों का यूज हो रहा है. Right now see, rather than gums, इसके अलावा gums, चिपकू gums used for the pasting shoes. वो गम जो कि शूज के रिपेयर के लिए यूज में आता है, उस गम्स के स्मेल को भी यूज किया जाता है इंटॉक्सिकेशन के लिए. स्प्रे पेंट, वी हैव लिसन्ड द नेम्स. नेल पॉलिश, okay, markers, dry erasers. Actually they breathe continuously, and their body becomes habitual of it, and it is a addiction, एक लत है, एक आदत है, and these kind of the things, these are going to be used. Okay, right now see, and what are the bad effects of this? It damages the liver badly, and once your liver is going to be damaged, so definitely it will not secrete the bile juice. Digestion of the fat, it will create the problem in the digestion of the fat, digestion of the protein, some kinds of the acids, and after that what will happen, again same thing will be there. That particular person, they are not able to digest the food. After that their body suffer with the sugar problem. Okay, so again from there only the process starts of the disease. Mental disorder, these all the things. Okay, these all the things, it produces the mental disorder. Mental disorder means mad. We are not able to decide the things properly. We are always in the confusion. पागल बना देता है. Okay, we becomes habitual of it, and every time our thinking is only stop there. And such kind of the persons, they are not able to perform any kind of the work. Okay, so these are the things: mental tension, sleeping disorder, you can say, swelling of the lungs, whatever the lungs are there. Okay, so swelling of the lungs means swelling will be there. So if the function of the lungs, it will not in a proper sense, so definitely it will create so many respiratory diseases like asthma. Okay, like some heart diseases, some breathing problems. Right now we have to talk about these are all about the whatever we have studied so far: opium, alcohol, misuses of the medicines, gutka, and before that tobacco. So these are the intoxicating materials, poisonous substance, okay, toxic materials actually, which are affecting the people, those who are living in the society. We all are knowing, we all are very much aware that this all affects our body badly, still we are using it. Okay, so we should aware the people, and we should get the information, and we should avoid it completely. Okay, it is a poison. If you are taking it, means we are either we are mad or we want to destroy ourselves. That is the condition only. So what we have to do, we should do the yoga, pranayam. Some people, those who are taking it still, so what they try to do, they try to go for the meditation, they try to consult the doctor, so they will give you the proper suggestions how you can remove these particular things. Some people actually, they are habitual for the cigarettes, they are habitual for the gutka, they are habitual for the alcohol, and they want to leave this particular habit. Still they are in the addiction, they want to leave but they are not able to leave. Why? Because against our body demands for it. Once you take it, our body becomes habitual of it. So that particular condition, it is very bad situation. So proper consultation of the doctor, proper consultation of the psychiatrists, some pranayam, yoga, this meditation, these are necessary, and this will become very much helpful, so that we can prevent such kind of the things, and we can prevent diseases also. Right now, see, adulteration. What is the meaning of adulteration here? Adulteration means milawat. Actually, we are living in the word of adulteration. All the things, not a single thing. You can say that what are the things that you are going to consume? 30 to 40%. All the things, adulteration is present in all the things. Even gold also we can say that it is 99% pure. All the things are adulteration, coming under the adulteration. If I talk about the synthetic milk, adulteration is there. It is going to prepared by some, you can see some kind of the shampoo, some kind of the detergents are mixed there. Okay, ghee, in the ghee, vegetable, okay, vegetable, what we can say, dalda. Vegetable ghee, dalda, it is mixed with the pure ghee. Oil, in the vegetable oil, some palm oil is used, there is a mixture of some palm oil. Okay, some different kinds of the oil are also there. Petrol, in the petrol, adulteration is very common, some lead materials is mixed. Okay, tea, in the tea also, tea is also not pure that we drink. Grains, common, very common adulteration. Spices, masale, all are sold openly after the adulteration. We know that adulteration is still there, and still we are also supporting this. Okay, right now see what is the next thing. If we have to take one common example of the cold drink, so in the cold drink, actually cold drink is a poison. How? We will see here. In the cold drink, during the production, what happens? Phosphoric acid is mixed. During the production of the cold drink, actually phosphoric acid is mixed there, and that phosphoric acid, it affects the teeth. It affects the teeth. Okay, it damages the teeth. And can you imagine? It has the capacity to melt the iron also. It has the capacity to melt the iron also. Meaning is that iron भी उसमें पिघल जाता है phosphoric acid में. So can you imagine what will happen for our health, for our delicate organs? Even it damages our teeth. And sometimes what happens? Sometimes the boric acid and benzoic acid are also mixed. Things are given properly in the book. Sometimes the boric acid, sometimes the benzoic acid, it is also mixed with the cold drink, and they provide the acidity. Acidity create करते हैं inside the body parts. Irritability means चिड़चिड़ाहट. irritation. They produce the irritation, indigestion, what? Benzoic acid and boric acid. These are also mixed with the cold drink. Right now see, it also hinders the development of bones. Hinders means stop kar dena. What kind of the development process is there? Development of the bones, development of the muscles. It is also going to be stopped by the bad effects of benzoic acid and boric acid. Some amount of the lead, it is also mixed there, which affects the nervous system. Lead is also the poisonous substance and it affects the nervous system. It also affects the liver, it also affects the brain, it also affects the muscles development. So you can see what kind of the things are going to be mixed there. Caffeine is also mixed. Caffeine is also mixed and it becomes the reason of mental headache. Caffeine is also present in the tea, coffee. So that caffeine is also mixed there and it becomes the reason of mental headache, mental disorder and other disorder. So in this way you can say that adulteration is present everywhere. We have taken right now the example of the cold drink. In the cold drink also even there are so many adulteration of so many things like phosphoric acid, benzoic acid, boric acid, caffeine, and after that some amount of the lead also mixed, some soda water is also mixed, and these all the things they actually damage our body continuously. Okay, we not feel in the initial stage, but on the later stage it also becomes the it invites the different kinds of the cancers, different kinds of the diseases. Okay, some heart diseases, some heart attack. These all are becoming the region of the cold drink. So we should avoid the cold drink completely. In spite of that, we should drink milk. We should drink the fruit juices because these are the good for our health. These are coming under the balanced diet. Till then, thank you so much. Next time we have to one more lecture is remained wherever we have to talk about the adulteration in the common materials. Till then, thank you so much.